Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load onlinefix64.dll on your Windows operating system. Thanks for isus.com to provide this article so I can solve this issue, solve this error. And this is how to fix fail to load onlinefix64 dynamic link library file. So first method, you can check if Windows Defender delayed the files. You can open the quarantine. You can open the search box and use Windows as keys and open virus and threat protections from the search bar. You can copy under the search here, virus and threat protection. You can open. Now you can click protection history, click filters and access quarantine items. So you can try to restore the file in these quarantine items. Next, you can consider to disable your antivirus when you try to open your software. You can consider to deactivate temporarily, and also you can try to reinstall the software that contain onlinefix64. And here, manual file replacement. You can download from trusted sources like dllme.com. You can get a legitimate copy of onlinefix.dll file from reputable source, and after you download, you can copy to the location where the missing onlinefix64.dll file should reside. And last, you can run this method, run sfc system file checker. You can open command prompt, run as administrator, and type sfc #scan now in order to scan corrupted files or missing files, and the command prompt will fix it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.